Big up yourself, Wagwan. Welcome to the Sammie Locs Experience Extension Installation Day. So this particular client came in for a consultation and her and I discussed how she wanted extensions. I definitely gave my opinion. I expressed to her that I thought she should use her natural hair, but she wanted the length. So I obliged like Mary, and here is the first quadrant of her Sammie Loc extensions. We decided to go with a very textured extension hair to give her maybe 6 more inches that she asked for, because remember, again, she wanted the length. So most of the time when you're getting extensions, most people are going into it for the length and not the density. We can see that the density is amazing, and here we have the finished product after 19 hours of sitting, 1 day install. Her Sammie Locs extensions are fully done and complete. Leave a caption or comments and let us know what you think of our Sammie Locs extensions. This particular client loved them. When we mean she loved them, she loved the extensions very much so. So remember, if you're looking to have any locks installed, consider the Sammie Locs Experience. We promise that you will love them. And this is the final product of us putting the braids in. So we do not band. In some cases, some people band their locks at the bottom. We just braid. I don't care what the length is. It's healthier to braid and not band. Remember that the bands, any type of elastic, can make your hair have issues and jeopardize the integrity and the ends of your locks. Big up yourself and subscribe to our channel if you're looking to have more lock experience with the Sammie Locs Experience. And me, Samantha B, owner, creator, and founder of the Essence of Perfection.